Choosing the right automation tool can make a huge difference in how you run your business or handle the repetitive tasks and build smarter systems that save time. Two tools people often compare are n8n and the Latenode. Both help you to automate the process, connect different apps, and build workflows, but they are built for the slightly different users and purpose. Today, I will explain how each one works, what makes them stand out, and which one might fit for your business best. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to check out both n8n and the Latenode with any available trials or benefits. By using the description link, any special access or offers that will be applied automatically, so you can get the best starting without any confusion. Now let's come to the main part of the video and let's start with the n8n first. n8n is a popular open source automation tool that developers and technical teams often choose because it gives a lot of flexibility and control. With n8n, you can host the tool yourself or use the cloud version that is hosted for you. This means you can run it on your own server or let the provider manage it for you. Many people like n8n because it allows very detailed and advanced automation logic. For example, you can use the loops, conditions, complex triggers, and even custom code inside your workflow. This makes it ideal for users who are comfortable with technical setup and need deep control. One of the big advantages of n8n is its open source nature. This means you can study, change, expand the software without paying license fees if you choose the host of yourself. Because it supports many different integrations and advanced logic, developers can connect database, API, custom apps, and tools with complete freedom. Experienced users appreciate that level of customization, and it's often the reason business build complex backend automation using n8n. However, this flexibility comes with some trade-offs. Running n8n on your own, that means you need some technical knowledge. You need to maintain the server, handle updates, manage security, and troubleshoot issues that might arise. Even using the cloud version, that can feel a bit technical for total beginners. And some users find the authentication with certain apps that requires manual setup. Now let's talk about the Latenode. Latenode is an automation platform that takes a slightly different approach. Instead of focusing on self-hosting and deep technical control only, Latenode combines a no-code or low-code visual builder with powerful automation features and built-in artificial intelligence support. This means users who are not developers, they can still build advanced workflow using just drag and drop tools and templates. One of the things that makes Latenode stand out is its unified access to many different AI models and integrations through a single subscription. You don't need to manage individual API keys for each AI service, which saves time and complexity. You can switch between different powerful language models like OpenAI or Claude with a simple interface without extra billing or key management. Latenode also includes tools for working with the knowledge bases and advanced AI workflows. For example, you can upload your own documents or data, and the platform uses AI to make sense of that data inside your workflow. That gives you what is called RAG or Retrieval Augmented Generation. This allows you, the automation system, to use your data intelligently when completing tasks. Another benefit is that Latenode's platform is managed, which means you don't have to worry about the infrastructure, security patches, or updating servers like you might when self-hosting on n8n. You get the easier setup and faster deployment, which can be great for teams that want automation without deep technical knowledge or technical headache. At the same time, Latenode does not lose the flexibility. It supports custom JavaScript and Python nodes for users who don't want to add their own code. That gives you both beginner-friendly visual workflow and the expert level control in the same tool. So how do you choose between these two? If you are a developer or your team has technical experience and you want full control, total flexibility, and the ability to host everything yourself, then n8n may be a tool for you. You can connect to almost anything, you can use the advanced logic, and you can build highly customized system that fit your exact requirements. So that's all for today's video. I hope you understand now, and if you found this comparison helpful between n8n and the Latenode, then give it a like and share it with someone who wants to automate their business process. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. Don't forget to check the link in the description. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.